how are your parents?
They're fine, they're okay.
They started to come visit us today.
It's not like that, you understand. So, what is it you want me to do for you?
Nothing serious. I want to go to the dry cleaners to pick up David's clothing. Then go to the supermarket to buy some things so I can prepare something before he comes back.
Okay. So, give me the receipts. I'll go to the cleaners. Then you go to the supermarket. Are you sleeping with us today? Bring the receipt first. One request at a time.
Okay, madam.
I'm waiting.
But you won't go home.
You're on your own, count me out.
Just 2 days now. As you're going back to the village, I'm going back to school.
2 days? You want my mother to cut off my ears?
She won't.
I'll just do the washing, you go do the shopping.
Fair enough.
Thank you. Balance. Thank you. Well, when are you coming back?
I don't know, maybe soon.
Hey.
Talk of the devil.
I know, my angel.
Hi there.
I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah. Morning, what's going down now?
I'm fine, I'm good.
She was gossiping you.
Since when did school matter concern Dave now? I wasn't talking.
Morning is like that now.
No.
On the same thing.
You know me now.
She was not that. It's okay.
Yes. Okay, I see you two girls are bored stiff eating fruit. Now I suggest I take you to the cinemas so we have proper fun, huh? How about that?
Are you serious?
Hi.
Wait now. I'm going to change.
Are you not going?
Just pause now.
Okay, wait now. Relax.
Okay, don't change. Don't worry.
Oh, God. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
What? You've been drinking.
Alright. Look, I've just been doing a good job of keeping bottles empty.
Dave, I was actually waiting for you to come back. Now that you're here, I think I have to go.
What is wrong? What's wrong? Huh?
No, Dave.
Dave, what?
This
Come
Boris.
on, what's your...
It's wrong. I can't betray my friends.
What's wrong? Maureen! Maureen! Maureen!
Mama, sorry.
This your recent absent-mindedness is beginning to get on my nerves. What is it?
Nothing. No, nothing. There's no problem.
Nothing. Tell me if there is any problem.
Mama, there's nothing. No, I was just watching the meat.
Maureen, are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Go and tell Mama Chinelo for me. Tell her that I'll be coming to her house in the evening.
Mama...
Mama Chinelo, now go to her house.
Okay.
Hey, awkward that you give me balloon. So.
Anybody home?
Let me tell you, If you like, wait for me till month end. If you like, wait till year end. It's only when I get the money that I will give you. Yes. Manjagori. I won't go for robbery to pay you. I won't do it. What are you talking about? Nonsense. Ndebalo. And you won't get carried away. Hey, hey, hey. Who is there? Hey. You came around? Is there nobody in the house? You see it? Do you see it? When I go out, they go their separate ways. Huh? Even these days, when I'm in the house, they won't be there to attend to me. That's the kind of house I am running. Do you see it? Don't mind, please. Come, let's go and take cola.
No, Ichi, no, I'm fine.
Eh?
I'm fine.
You won't eat cola?
No, I'm fine. Okay. Yes, I actually came to see Maureen. Myself and Doris, we are quite worried. We've not seen her in a while, and her phones haven't been going through.
Just so?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry. I will get her to call you.
Thank you.
All right.
Ichi.
Dave, you will never stop being good. Eh? Dave, you're good.
Thank you.
In fact, you're sweet. You're edible.
Edible. Thank
Sweet. Please.
Please. Oh my God, sweet.
No, I love this.
Ichi, please. When Maureen gets back, kindly tell her to reach out to me, please.
No, if you want her, I'll get her to you. No, it's your able to. If once you want, open your mouth, make demand. I'll get her for you.
Okay.
Nyasaya for you.
No, not that. No.
He can't even want to solve again. What are you talking about, Dave? You deserve it. It's your right. It's your privilege. Eh? According to the Constitution, you deserve it. Section 2, Chapter 5, Verse 6. Everything is yours. Eh? Oh, this Dave is good. Eh? That's the kind of person I want around me. Not these witches and wizards all over the place. Eh? Witches and wizards, let me warn all of you. From now on, the fight and war will be between Nsabundo and all of you. Diana and the Marital. I'm waiting for all of you. Eh? Ndibalo, and you want to know eh? If for now, tum tum tum. If tum tum tum. Now to bombaro. What about my work in the Boko Haram now? Memory. Magadan. What?
Papa, welcome.
Is this you or your ghost?
Papa, keep your voice down.
Keep your voice down in my own house. What? So you were here and Dave was knocking? Nobody answered him?
Papa, I didn't want to see him. I wasn't.
You don't want to do it?
I didn't want to see him.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty didn't want to see Dave. What did you do?
I didn't do anything, Papa.
If you don't tell me now, I'll leave a temper.
Papa, I didn't do anything. I don't even want to see him now.
You were hiding there for nothing. You are now young man, come and knock here and tell nobody. Hey! Look at this girl. She has turned into something else. I'm going. I said I'm going.
How does it concern me?
Look at you. Can't you say, go with my husband? Or save me, my darling?
Meaning what? When did that one start?
Okay, so you won't say goodbye? Come in safety? All right. You will ask for money for food.
In a nyebum before. In a nyebum egoli.
So I'm no longer useful to you.
You are not.
Even no son cause.
Don't look for my trouble. Stop looking for my trouble.
Let me go. You will ask for money for food.
Do you bring money for
food? You will see my reaction.
Do you bring money for food in Sabondo?
Go get
Do you bring money for food?
Later, I know how to treat you.
in this house. I know. Unsamondo! You must answer me today. Because I know you are in this house. Unsamondo, where are you? If you don't pay me my money today, something terrible will happen in this place. Dear woman, where is your husband?
Ichenza, don't put me in your problem, oh. Please, don't call my name.
Hey, so is it me you are talking to in that manner? I said, where is your husband?
Yeah. How would you have preferred it? Keep calling him. If he's around, he will answer you. If he's not around, he will not answer you. Simple arithmetic.
Oh. Okay. So you are not calling me a dunce, eh? Hey, I don't blame you. Keep insulting me. Let me tell you, by the time I come back to this house, you will not have this roof over your head if you fail to pay my money.
Ichenza, stop calling my name this morning. Stop it, oh.
Nonsense. See, I will not only bring down this useless house, I will make sure I bring in Sobundo to get out with it. Watch and see.
No need delivering this message because you heard everything.
I heard everything. I heard everything. Even the time he said to pull down my house. I heard everything. Let him come and pull down my house. The house I sweated to build. Where is his strength to come and do it? Am I the only person owing in this community? Let him come and do it.
Hey, Sobundo. So you are shouting?
Why shouldn't I shout?
Why didn't you come out the time Deza was here? Why didn't you come out and shout with him? You were hiding inside. Now the man is gone. You're here shouting. You want to put down your house?
Let me tell you. This brain God gave us, we should use it wisely. See, he who fights and runs away lives to fight a different day. When they kill me, you're left alone for them. Why should I die? If I die, don't you know the consequences? I will possess my possession. Let me tell you. They will come and enjoy the fruit of my labor. I won't do it.
Sobundo.
Wait. You know this man may be looking somewhere to attack me. See, I have to postpone this trip.
Oh, man.
You don't live life a second time.
Sobundo, are you coming back to the house?
I am not running away. I'm saving my life for you.
I
have to. See, if anything happens to me, the man will take over. I don't like that. I won't go. I'll be there to enjoy the fruit of my labor. The fruit of my dowry. The fruit of my dowry. They won't take it away from me.
You're not enough.
Moi's father has delivered a message. And yet, she's not here. I think something is wrong.
Well, your guess is as good as mine.
Even the results she asked me to check for her, she has not even called to know what's up with the results. I think I should just go to her house in the morning.
Well, you can do that tomorrow.
Sure.
Go ahead, eat. I'm sure morning is fine.
What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
Look at my clothes.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
How can it be okay when you're throwing up? Huh? Let it not be what I'm thinking.
I'm okay.
I'm asking you for the last time, very last time, who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Please give me some time. I will talk after I've told the person.
No. Won't happen here. If you want to talk to him first, then leave my house. But if you're staying here, you talk to me first. Yes.
Nay, please, let's take it easy on her.
Take what easy?
Just give her a little time.
Who is that? Who is that?
Come in.
Come in. Thank God. Thank God you are here. Tell your friend that I will commit murder and suicide if she fails to tell us who gave her this pregnancy.
Mori, are you pregnant? Who is responsible?
Mama, please let me talk to Doris and let me just small time. Let me talk to Doris.
Oh, okay. Let's go so that she can talk to
Go
her.
where?
He said he wants to talk.
Go where from my house?
Hey, because they are not.
Let her do, or else something happens here. All right.
Talk now. Talk before your father comes out.
Doris, let me talk to my parents first. Then I will tell you.
Are you alright? Talk before he comes out. Your father will kill you.
I will tell you after I've told them, please.
Has she talked? Has she told you?
Papa, she wants to talk to you people.
Wants to do what? To talk to we people? What do you mean? We were here just now. She didn't talk.
Papa, please Doris, please let me talk to my parents. Excuse us, please. 5 minutes.
Now talk. Talk now.
Okay, tell us now. Tell us, okay? Oh, yeah, no.
Mama, please. Let me
We are listening. Talk.
Let me tell Doris.
May thunder tear you into pieces for playing with me, your father! For dribbling me! For playing with me! Talk now!
Doris!
Talk where?
Doris! Doris,
Talk now.
wait. Papa, please let me talk to Doris first now. Papa, I will talk.
Talk now. Talk.
Talk!
Hey!
Papa, it is Dave.
Which Dave?
Baby, come on. Don't do this, please. Don't do this.
Jesus Christ. Dave! Mori, pregnant! How could you have done something of that sort? Leave me alone. You know, Maureen was like a sister to us.
Baby, please. I mean, we can sort this out, okay? Let's just talk. Let's talk. Don't do this, darling. Come on, don't do this.
There is nothing to sort out.
Come on, don't do this. Please. Please, baby, come on. If you leave me now, what will happen? Huh? I need you by my side. Come on, don't do this, darling. Please.
It is over between both of us.
Baby, don't say this. This is so wrong. Please, don't do this. Baby, stop this. Stop this now. Baby, please, can you just stop?
Leave me alone!
Come on, baby, I'm not going to allow you to do this. Come on. Baby, please don't. Baby, stop this. Baby.
Go. But remember to thank that stupid Dave. Tell him that I said that it is only hellfire that will separate the kind of war I'm going to declare on him for doing this to my daughter.
Okay. Since you are all that ready, why don't you go and tell him yourself?
Okay, let me go now.
Woman, wait. Don't spoil my mood that is spoiled already this morning. It's spoiled already, please.
Let me go. It's okay. But if you don't come back here with a reasonable thing, that stupid Dave, you will have me to contend.
Hey!
Please, my daughter, for the sake of the baby, pull yourself together and stop crying. It won't solve anything. You know who your father is.
Mama, you don't understand. It's bad enough that I'm pregnant for him. Now you are telling me to marry him. I can't marry him. I can't do that to Doris.
Because for my sake, please, I'm begging you, don't let this whole village laugh at me. They will laugh at your mother.
Mama, please, I can't do that to Doris. She's like my sister. I can't marry them.
Hey, listen. Dave has asked for time to sort things out. It's just a little time. The deed has been done. Let's give him time and see what he has to do.
I can't believe you're the one saying this. Give him little time. Okay. I'll see.
Baby, please. Look, I want you back. The house is lonely without you, please.
I can't stand the shame.
Listen here. No matter what, I'm not giving up on you, okay?
Dave, we need to give ourselves some time.
Look, now what would you have me do, huh? What do you want me to do?
In that way, we can start by giving Maurice's parents some money so that they can stay away from you. So how are you?
Baby, I'm not fine. I miss you.
Where are you?
I'm in a bar.
You're drinking again?
Baby. Look at where drinking got me to, okay? I swore to you I was never going to drink, and I am not drinking. I'm only drinking once. I just needed to leave home.
Just take care of yourself. Bye.
Baby.
I'm here to see what is good about the afternoon.
Mama, please. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional.
Don't let me hear that from your mouth again. It wasn't intentional. It wasn't intentional. You zipped down your trouser. Finish and zip it up. It wasn't intentional. Don't get me angry. Tell me, what are your plans about my daughter?
Mama, please. Just try and understand. I'll get back to you in due course.
While I am waiting for your due course, don't let that pregnancy overdo in my house. Because this land will be too small for both of us.
No, please. Just be patient. Let me just get myself together. Get things together. I'll get back to you.
You better do, because I didn't understand how and where I offended you. Is it by sending Maureen to come and help you and Doris whenever you needed her? Or by knowing you? I've not been able to answer this question since this pregnancy issue came up. David. Okay.
Why did you do it?
I guess I was drunk. Look, I know I was drunk. Okay, still it's no excuse. I mean, I wasn't in control of my senses. I didn't know what I was doing, but life is miserable without you, though. Our home is miserable without you. I'm telling you, so lonely. I get into the room and I feel like, you know, there's something missing. Yes.
You brought one for me?
Of course, it's for you. All for you, G.
Why don't I take it home? Yes, since you have plenty in your house.
No problem, it's all for you, G. It's all for you.
Okay. Yeah. In that case, the glass can go for retirement.
Yes, yeah, EJ, I don't know if we can reach some sort of agreement. Yes. You see, I like Maureen. I like her so much, you know. But the thing is that though she's pregnant, if I get married to her now, a lot of things would go wrong.
Just hold on. What kind of agreement are you talking about?
What I'm saying is, I can take care of Maureen without marrying her.
Ndebalo, anyomaru nesikogli. Please, don't let my wife hear that.
Ichi, I'm not saying I'm going to abandon her. No, I'm not going to abandon her. No, okay, I will definitely take care of her. I'll take care of you. Yes, let me start first of all by giving you this token just for your transportation, Ichi.
See, Dave, our people say that it's a bad omen to reject money. Because of their saying, I'm going to take this money. Hey, Dave, do you know you're like a son to me? It's just that this issue is sensitive.
Ichi, I know it's sensitive, I know. Look, I will take care of Maureen. I'll take care of you, I'll take care of your household. You know, let's not even forget that the Maureen in question doesn't even want to get married to me, you know.
But she's pregnant for you. There's a pregnancy in between the two of you. Yes. But not worry. What I'll do is, once I go home, I'll find a way to convince my wife. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
That's why I hold you in high esteem.
Look, but things will take control of themselves.
Thank you.
Okay, let me be on my way. Thank you.
Thank you. It's okay. I have no choice but to now meet up with Maureen and tell her face to face on our present stand.
Just do what you have to do. After giving birth in your house, she goes and our life will move on.
Baby. I'm sorry. I really do feel horrible about this whole incident.
It's okay. What we have is greater than this temptation.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'm sorry.
So, my dear, do not worry yourself, okay? Your baby is fine. And have you been eating well? Because that's the only thing that really worries me.
Doctor, I eat when I'm hungry.
No. That's not good. Maureen, listen. You're not just feeding yourself. You're also feeding that baby you're carrying. And that baby depends on you. So please do me the favor and follow the list I gave to you. And believe me, your baby will tell you thank you for it later, okay?
I'll try. Okay. I have to start going now.
Okay.
But promise me you'll come and visit me.
Let me see how this week will go. Okay, I'll try my best. Take good care of yourself, okay? Take it easy.
Do you like the food? How was the trip? Did you see the man you said you were going to see? I went for antenatal today and the doctor made some recommendations. Are you alright?
Go away. Oh, I didn't forget you. I just didn't forget you. What's up?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Me too.
You're also hungry.
Very hungry.
Both of you are hungry. And you two never mentioned it all the way to this place. Well, what's up with that now?
The fact is, I'm hungry. I need to eat something.
Also, the fact is that you're not a visitor here, so you go into the kitchen, I'm sure you get something.
Okay.
If you don't see anything, we'll go out and have something to eat, huh?
All right, let me check.
You go, baby.
Please hurry.
So what's up, Ruth? Tell me about this, your new man. Tell me. What's up with you? You're already smiling. Well, what?
We haven't been studying.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I don't want to talk about him.
When a lady doesn't want to talk about her man, she obviously say her
She
sin.
doesn't want to talk about him, please.
Food is ready.
It's ready.
Yeah, ready.
I'm telling you, right? My boyfriend is a freak.
A big freak.
Please don't talk about my
Why would I talk about him? You want me to tell her what you told me about him? Like what you guys do behind closed doors, huh? I'm telling you.
You're very funny.
No.
Are you believing him?
The elevator, herself and the man. Yeah.
Don't think of my boyfriend like that.
chain. I need the phone. They want to kill you before the marriage even starts. Okay, I'll come and talk to Dave.
Mama, you don't have to bother yourself. I just needed someone to talk to, that's all. Anyway, how are you feeling now?
My daughter, I'm better. Just that at times my heart beats faster than normal. And I feel very dizzy.
What did the doctor say?
He said that the drug will help.
Yeah, now try and take your drugs, Kwana, and relax. Try and relax, because
I'm okay, I'm fine. Just that they should leave you for me. They should do that.
Mama, don't bother yourself. I'll be fine. Mama, let me go inside and rest. I lost my keys in the bus. I don't know. I'll have to wait for Dave to come back before I go home.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm coming. Let me finish with it.
Madam, welcome.
When I love, I give my all. I do my best to keep my home, but all I get is a broken heart, and the pain is too much to bear, too much to bear. This is not the life I prayed for. Somebody tell me, why is this happening to me?
Dave.
Why is this?
Dave! 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 Are you sure he's at home?
Oga don't come back now. Are they sure? I've been up for you.
Dave!
Oga! Oga oh! Oga! Oga oh! Hi! Oga oh!
Dave!
Oga!
Dave!
Oga oh!
Dave!
Oga! I didn't want him come back now. You won't call her for phone?
Let me call him.
You dey ring?
Dave!
Oga! Oga!
Dave!
You can't sleep with this.
This is not the love I hoped for. Somebody tell me, why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the man I longed for. Somebody tell me, why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the home I longed for. Somebody tell me, why is this? This is not the life I prayed for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the love I hoped for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the man I long for.
Madam,
Tell me
what can I open it up? Just open it now.
happening to me. Why is
Thank you.
this is not the home I long for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me?
Hey! Where do you think you're going to? Come, please. Which house? This house. Look, Doris, I've just about had enough of your rubbish. This house is my house, so stay away.
The house might be your house, but the man in there is my man. Maybe I should refresh your memory for you.
Maybe I should also refresh your memory. I have never, ever wanted to have anything to do with Dave, and that hasn't changed. Okay? So get out of my house. Who cares? Get out of my house.
What house are you even talking about? I mean, if it's not because of this bastard you're carrying in here, you think you can stand before me and talk?
You call my child a bastard.
Yes. How dare you?
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Now, Doris may no longer be your friend, but she retains unlimited access into this house. And for specifics, she remains my woman. Do you understand me? Yeah, baby.
Darling.
I'm sorry. You know what? No, baby. Let's go somewhere where we will not be disturbed, okay? Let's go get sugar outside. You don't rush.
Foolish people. God will punish all of you. Foolish people. Yes, Mama, I've not seen him for days now. 4 days. No, he didn't beat me, but that's not the issue. I just want him to come home for the sake of the baby. I did. His phone is switched off. No, Mama, I can't come to the house. I have to stay at home and wait for him. I don't want him to come home to an empty house. Oh. When he comes back, I'll come and see you, okay? Sorry.
The stupid man thought he was a very smart person. Now you should know he has failed. You have failed. Eh?
And who is it this time? And whose money is this?
What business of yours is it? Enemy of progress.
Oh, it will be my business when they come looking for you. Yes.
You see you. When I was not working hard, you were complaining. Now I am working hard and earning money. You are still complaining.
Working hard? Working hard of duping people of their money? Or working hard constructing a bridge? Anyway, God knows that when they come looking for your neck, I won't be there.
Thank God he said looking for my own neck, not your own neck. So mind your business. Is there anything like a clean water I can drink in this house?
Water? You didn't even ask for food. That means you've eaten part of the money.
No! I will just admire the money. I wouldn't consume it. I'll be watching and admiring the money just for admiration. Hey, you go here. Hey! So because my daughter got pregnant, I should go and hide under the bed. Mama will go and tell her. Or I begin to dance naked. Maureen is Maureen, I am Unsubondo. We are two different people.
So what is the difference between Peter and Paul?
Oh. So if St. Paul's at the gate of heaven asks my daughter Maureen, can you please women Joe? How have you committed sin? Come and answer. I will come and answer for Maureen. It's not possible. You're missing the point. I want to believe him. Was I the person who put her in the family way? Yeah, believe let her carry her cross. I carry my own. These are different people.
So what if it is Devil's Gate?
Devil's Gate. You will answer devil on my behalf. May thunder fire you there. Are you not the person who just married a fulefu? They never do well. They never do well. You have mouth to talk here. They never do well. You're carrying my problems when your own are weighing you down. I'll take care of myself. I will not eat a brown red man because I won't buy a cup of tea. Maureen is on my way.
Is that all you have to say on this? Maureen is our daughter and she deserves our help and concern.
I have no help to give her. She is on her bed, let her lie on it. If you're so concerned, why not go and make that bed comfortable for her? Yes, make it comfortable for her. As for me, please, is there any food for me?
There is food. Now you're not being fair. You're not being fair at all. You're not.
Listen to me. Life itself is not even fair. Look at the Chienza chasing me up and down because of the money I'm owing him. It's not fair to me. Is there any food for me, please? Come and give me. Hello? I'm not even a sicario good. Ellie back there.
This is how we work. Go all the way this way. Turn you around.
Here? Go away. You're so crazy.
I know I'm crazy. I was born that way. And speaking of crazy, I have a crazy something thingy for you.
What? Tell me.
Here and here. Happy birthday, baby.
Are you kidding me?
Of course I'm not kidding. Come on. It's your birthday.
Yeah.
I got you.
Oh.
Oh,
you're such a fucking
Darling.
All right, you want to take your ride for a spin?
Yeah.
Hey, come on, go ahead. Go ahead, do your thing. Do your thing. That's what's
Hello?
Is this Mrs. Dave? Your husband just got a call for his girlfriend. Come to Valley Hotel right away and you will see them. Hurry.
Hello? Hello?
She hasn't seen anything yet. She wants to take my man from me? Hell no.
Yes. Hey. Please, go. And remember, I need a taxi to go to the hospital later. Just go, Cassie.
Exactly is wrong with that young man?
don't worry. That one is not my problem. The only problem I have now is who will be taking care, who will help me at home.
Let that one not bother you. I've talked to Mama Genika, and he has promised to allow Genika stay with you for a little period. I would have allowed him stay longer, but she's not well. Let that one not bother you. My problem is just Dave. How can someone abandon...
Mama, it's okay, it's okay. Please get a taxi. Pico, let's start going.
David. Okay.
Welcome. How is everybody? Mama, they are fine. Your sisters and brothers. No, even if you stay 2 weeks, okay. She's inside. Let's go. You are fine.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
You don't come into my room. And why are you staring at the baby like that?
Don't I have a right to stare at my own baby again?
It's been since you were discharged from the hospital and haven't done anything about the receipt they sent to you.
And why should they send the receipt to me?
And by that you mean?
What I'm trying to say is that the receipt should have been sent to the right person who went to the hospital.
And who is the right person? That child is your child, Dave. Our child.
Hey, listen. I'm not in the mood for this, okay? I'm not. I have an appointment.
So, now that the baby is finally here, when is she leaving your house?
Babe, I'm only taking my time. Because it would be so wrong of me at this point in time to keep them out of my house. You do understand, right?
Yeah, I think so. Have you guys decided on a man?
Yeah, her name is Isabella, but her mother calls her Princess. But that's not the bottom line. The bottom line is, how is my baby holding up?
Fine. It's just that I've been all to myself in this big house and I can't wait to see this whole thing all gone. I'm tired.
Very soon this whole episode will be over. And we'll be together again. Just be patient, okay? And the money I promised to give you, first thing tomorrow morning I'll put it in your account.
Are you serious?
Of course I'm serious.
Stop. Look, if your plan is for me to contribute more than my own quota to the upkeep of this baby, you're making a big mistake. Do you understand?
That's not what
Then what?
Let's forget what happened in the past and concentrate on taking care of this baby. Let's do our part for this baby, please.
Good. You do your own part. Let me do mine. I'll join you later. Okay? She's our baby. I contributed, you contributed. 50-50. Do you understand me? You do yours, I'll join you.
You understand me? This baby doesn't have food again, please.
Give her breast.
Papa, please, you have to come and talk to Dave. I don't know what the problem is. I can't understand. I don't understand this level of negligence. It doesn't give me money to buy anything, not even for the baby.
Maureen, please, don't worry. Don't worry. See, Dave will turn around. Let me tell you, this Dave we are talking about is a small boy. Forget the fact that he looks matured. You see, he hasn't come to terms with the fact that he is married. Talk more of having a child. Please give him a chance. Oh?
But please come and talk sense into him. Call him to order or else.
Calm down, Maureen. Everything will be fine. I'll come and talk to him myself if your father fails.
If who fails? I'm asking you, if who fails? Have I made an attempt and failed? Eh? Every time you're finding fault with me. I just said earlier that Dave is yet to mature as a married man. Let's give him time. Talking about failure. Am I even sitting for an exam? You will be teaching a mark for my exam. Failing. Don't say that again. Don't say it again. Look at you. If your father fails you, if you want again, then try it again.
Don't mind your father. Put enough food in the flask.
I have, Mama. I should be on my way now, Mama.
Please, take this money. Buy some necessary things for the princess.
Mama, thank you very much. But how are you going to cope without this money? How are you going to buy your drugs?
I'll be fine. Trust me, I'll be fine, okay? How is Kenika?
She's fine. I don't know what I would have done without her. Especially with all the hassles in that house. But the problem now is that she says she's leaving next week. I don't know how I'm going to cope.
Of her mother's illness. But don't worry, everything will be fine. God will help us.
Thank you. I'll call you when I get home. been searching the whole house for my purse, but I can't find it. And I need to buy some things from the supermarket. I was wondering if you have any money with you.
Money? If I take money here, I talk up.
Please, can you use it? Help me go to the supermarket and buy diapers for me. Diapers.
Hey, diapers.
Yes, that thing babies wear.
Okay, that one where babies they wear.
Yes.
Napkin. Ah, now not be the diapers.
Please go buy it.
You for time you say they don't change the name to that weight.
Diapers. Kazim, just go to the supermarket now and buy for me.
Diapers. That weight. That's the best way I go.
Kazim! Hurry up! Kazim! The Reverend said we should see him later concerning Princess's christening. Have you had breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember the road to my house in the village?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, I want you to go there. Give this envelope to my mother. Tell her I will call her. Okay? And I want you to hurry up and come back before your guy gets back from work. Take this for your transport. Hurry, now, please.
Now, why did you take it?
I didn't take it.
I said, totally, why did you take my money?
Why did you take my money? I didn't take my money on
Listen,
my neck.
Where's my money?
My neck.
Yes, I know your neck. I know I'm squeezing it, and I know you're going to. Do you understand me? And by the time I'm done with you, if you do not talk, when you're dead, even God will not recognize you. Are you sick? Where's my money?
I didn't take any
Where is
money. I
my
don't know what you're talking
Are you messing with me?
about.
Are you messing? Where's my money?
Please, leave me.
Where is my money?
Please, leave me alone, please.
Dave.
Yes.
How are you?
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Nice work.
We're fine. We're fine.
All right then.
Ichie, please, why don't you join me? I'm hungry. Yes.
I'll join you.
Please.
I'll join you. Is everybody hungry?
Yes.
I don't know. Perhaps it's right. See, I don't know what is wrong with this harsh weather. I ate before coming, but now I'm here. I'm hungry. I'll eat. I'll join you.
Please.
There. You small boys. You enjoy a lot. Look at chicken everywhere. Drink everywhere. Huh? You enjoy it.
Well, we just keep trying, Ichie. What can we do?
Okay. Yes, I had wanted to discuss something very important with you, but I don't think it can happen now because the chicken has occupied the space. The two cannot go together.
So it's not urgent, right?
Even if it's urgent, this phone demands immediate attention. What of my daughter and the baby?
She and they are actually.
Why must you consent to that? Does it mean you're beginning to yield to her?
What's with you? It's my baby we're talking about here. An infant. She's done me no wrong. She has done us no wrong. She has done the world no wrong. And the subject matter is her baptism in church.
It's okay. I don't know what to say.
Well, first of all, tell me you're not angry. Something. I'm talking about rebranding something new.
Take them off. Look, I said take those goggles
What's
off.
what's your problem with the goggles? How does that affect you? I don't understand this baseless argument.
Excuse me? Hold on. Did you just say business arguments?
Yes.
Myself.
It's meant for yes. Why do you want me to remove those?
I said remove those things.
I will not remove it. I'm sorry.
You're not removing it.
What will you do? Will you hit me again? Or you will rape me again? What will you do? What's the worst you can do?
Excuse me, are you talking to me like that?
Yes.
Did you just talk to me like that? Did you just fucking talk to me like that? Did you just talk to me like that?
Dave.
Did you talk?
Dave. Dave.
You get out.
Good afternoon, ma. Who was that? Is he your husband?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Sorry, okay? Pull yourself together. Stop crying. My drivers will take you home, okay? Stop crying.
Thank you.
Stop it. Sorry, what's your name?
Maureen.
My name is Olisa. Olisemeka. Are you hot? Emma, come. Use this car, yeah. Take her to any nearby clinic. Make sure she is okay. Then you take her home. Is that okay?
Okay, my prince.
Don't worry, I'll drive myself. Give me the key. Mark. We'll take you to clinic, then after that he'll take you home.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Just stop crying, okay? Let's pick up, okay? Emma.
This is not the love I hoped for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the man I longed for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the home I longed for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me?
Oh, sorry, darling. Are you saying it's going to be okay?
Yeah, it's gonna be okay. But you have to use your drugs and the ointment first. Then maybe you come back in 4 days. Let me see how it is.
She come back in 4 days. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's the problem? You're not yourself at all. What's going on?
I witnessed a man molest the wife today when I went to the city, to an extent of throwing her out of the car.
Oh, that's wickedness.
Well, after everything, I asked him how to take her to the hospital.
Oh, that's so kind of you. I'm happy you were able to help her.
Thank you, Mom.
Have you had anything to eat?
No, not really. Actually, I'm not hungry.
Come on. She will be fine, okay? She will be fine. You can actually send a man to check up on her. Okay? So, will you eat now?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, let me tell them to serve you, okay? Alright then. Okay.
Nine, you didn't answer your daughter's greeting.
Do I have to expend 21 gold salute to answer her? Do I have to do that?
See, Papa, I don't even care if you respond to my greeting or not. As you can see, I was already on my way out.
Are you talking to me that way?
Why would I talk to you like that, Papa? Why would I not talk to you like that? When you came to my house, what did you do? Did you confront Dave or you confronted the chicken and the wine he gave to you?
Look at you. When I came to confront Dave, Dave confronted me with chicken. I had no choice than to confront back.
Mama, I'm on my way. I'll call you back when I get. I'll call you.
Tell me, is it an abomination to the dark chicken, the Jew chicken? Mata chicken, the chicken. It's my son-in-law. Eh? You look around there. Move with that chicken. I don't be able. If he gives me a second chicken, I will eat. Kevin Nakolomo. Ndibalo, I will eat more. But Dave, if I come again, give me more chicken. I want to eat chicken and live longer. I told me eat that chicken. Ndibalo, you won't know now on Esco Green.
I came to say thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. How's your family?
They're doing well.
Thank God. Please get up.
Thank you.
Sorry for keeping you standing. Sit.
No. There's no point sitting. Just take her around. Let her feel free.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear.
All right, my dear.
Okay. That's good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where are the clothes I told you to pick up from the dry cleaners?
Oh, I forgot the receipt. I'll pick them up tomorrow.
Repeat to yourself again.
I said I forgot.
Jesus! Huh? Wait, I told you to pick up clothes? And you're telling me what? Are you talking to me? Did you just tell me? No, seriously, did you just tell me that? That's what you're telling me? That's what you're telling me? Wait, did you just talk to me that way? No, seriously, did you talk to me that way? Did you? Huh? Did you just tell me that? Huh? Wait, you just pick up. You just tell me that. Did you?
Who did this to you? No, don't. Please sit down.
Is he not the same man?
Then he should be locked up.
It's a long story. It's complicated.
No matter how complicated the story is, at least we would like to hear it.
Of course. I don't understand. If he treats you so badly, what are you still doing with him?
My daughter is the reason I'm staying. I can't leave her.
How old is she?
Maureen, listen. You must not kill yourself because you want to protect your daughter. You can as well live with her.
You know what? I'll get somebody to clean you up, okay? Afoma!
This is not the man I long for. Somebody tell me why is this? Why is this?
Come. Who is he?
Please don't start. He's just a friend.
A friend? Or your boyfriend you brought into my home? It's gotten to that level where you bring men into my house, isn't it?
With due respect.
Hey, just shut up. I'm not talking to you, okay? My prince, can I handle this? My prince. So you actually brought a prince into my house. Wait, hold on. Is this the part where I get to kneel down or bow down to you? Your Royal Highness? Huh? I want to get into the house! Now listen to me. Are you still there? Now listen to me. By the time I'm out of that house dealing with that female, you would have taken yourself, your jester, and your royal toy out of my house. Do you understand me? Prince, my ass.
You're not supposed to be a man. Thank God, you finally picked. I've been calling you all day. So what happened?
Nothing serious, just the usual beatings. Yeah. But my ear still hurts rather badly. He seized my phone, he just gave it back to me this morning.
Please, can Emma come and pick you up?
Yes, of course. That man should be picked up for abusing and molesting that innocent little girl.
My hands are tied, Mom. My hands are tied. You know, they are still married, so I don't know how to go about it.
But why don't you just pay her a visit, at least to be sure she's okay?
I have sent Emma to pick her up.
That's very thoughtful of you. At least let her breathe some fresh air before she goes back to that animal.
Thank you for your concern, Mom.
You see, I'm beginning to take her like my own child. My regards to her.
Okay, I will tell her.
I went out. I couldn't get a taxi early enough. I did a bit of trekking, but I'm home now.
So what are you trying to say? Are you indirectly trying to tell me that I did not buy you a car?
No, not at all. I am directly telling you that you bought a car for your girlfriend on her birthday a few months back. Today happens to be my own birthday. Not even a happy birthday for me. My own husband. Good night.
I want a divorce.
What did you just say?
I said I want a divorce.
What did you just say? Huh?
I said I want a divorce.
Repeat it again.
I want a divorce.
Yes. Best thing you've ever said! You want a divorce? Darling, you will have a divorce. Do you understand? Wait. Do you want that divorce today, tomorrow? No, it better be today, okay? So I'm going right now to celebrate our divorce with my boys. Thank you for divorcing me. Best thing you've ever done. Divorce!
owns these bags? Who owns the bags? Are you on holiday?
Good evening, Papa.
Is that the answer to my question? Who owns these bags?
I left Dave and Princess.
And so what?
Hey, Maureen. No. Welcome. Let's go inside.
Which inside? My own house. It cannot work. Carry these bags back to the taxi. Go back to your husband.
Hey,
right away.
What's up, Ronaldo? Even ask your daughter what happened. All you after is that she should enter the taxi and go back.
What will make her riches?
She's not going anywhere.
She will go.
Yeah, let's
carry the bags back to the taxi. Go away with this taxi.
What's up, Brando? Oh, but I have 9 months from Deva.
And so what?
She's not going. Let's go inside.
Are you in your father's house?
She's not going anywhere.
Come on, carry these bags back to the taxi.
Go inside.
Oh, yeah.
She's not going anywhere.
Taxi driver, come on, come.
Get him.
Open your boot.
Like I said earlier, I have left Dave officially. I didn't want to involve both of you in the process because it was a mutual agreement.
Hey! So I have become so irrelevant that my daughter could go through a divorce process without telling me her father? Eh? Is it right?
Papa Maureen, leave all this. They both got tired of the marriage.
Oh, so you give the instruction for her to abandon the marriage and come home?
Eh?
You see it? Look at all the secret meetings you had. Look at the result now. Illegal advisor, you have failed. You have failed. Can you see it? Look at it.
You have to be strong, okay? You know your father.
Good morning.
It's not okay by me. I didn't sleep last night. Is there no way you go and bring her back? Let her come and stay with me. Yeah, I mean, it's only me. It's only me and your father.
Mama, you know Dave refused for me to leave the house with Princess. The only agreement was that I can see her anytime I want to. I don't know what I'm going to do about it.
How is she going to cope? Who is going to feed her and all that? Can you go and say, Mama Frafu? Think a worm child, what a did you worm?
Even Jesus is.
What house are you talking about?
Oh, I've not told you. The prince wants to build a mansion for me. So he has asked me to go and look for a piece of land.
Huh? So you will have a new house? You are very lucky in Sobondo.
Yeah. How are you sure that is true? You know how Sobondo manufactures stories.
You are talking about a house?
Yes.
He's even talking about buying me a car in addition. This kind of car called SUV, where you have AC, television, and refrigerator. Yes.
Sobondo, I don't know the last time you treated malaria. I will advise you to go and treat yourself.
It was true. Enemy of progress. You see, the way you are looking, you are suffering from a sickness called Marital.
Me?
Yes. In that sickness, your face looks like that of a kidnapper. Then,
Sobondo, you're here. Your wife is dead. Your wife is dead.
My wife?
Nibalo! My wife dead! No!
I suspect him.
No!
Ichie Sobondo, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Ichie Sobondo, we're great.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ichie, please accept our sympathy. It is only God
It has all the answers to every question.
But it's true. You're correct. You're correct. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ichie, so please, do not consider as untimely.
What issue is that?
You know the tradition. 6 months after the Igwe has been buried, a new Igwe must be crowned.
According to our tradition.
I'm aware of that. What about it?
And so we have come to appeal to you. We have come to solicit your understanding to allow us perform the marriage rite between the prince and your daughter.
Yeah. I am part of tradition and will always be till tomorrow. But on the issue you raised, I am not alone. I belong to my kinsmen. What I will do is to consult them, then give you feedback. So let me advise that they come just in 2 days' time for the feedback. And whatever they say, I will let you know in 2 days' time.
In 2 days' time?
Yes, 2 days' time.
Once again, thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right. Okay.
You are a man. Be that man that you are.
I have no choice.
You would live longer than our ancestors.
Umuacha one. Umuacha's one. Umuacha plus one. Today is a great day in Umuacha Kingdom. A remarkable day and a memorable day. We all are gathered here today to bear witness of this great day. Let me have the crown. Yeah. This is the crown of kingship of Umuacha Kingdom. Umuacha kwenu? Yeah. I, the Okuneye of Ogwoji, the great oracle of Umuacha Kingdom, I hereby hand you over this symbol of leadership, your staff of authority. To you. Umuacha kwenu? Yeah. Umuacha kwenu? Yeah. Umuacha kwenu? Yeah. This is of 4 Umuacha. It will guide you in the path of truth. On this great day, I pronounce you the Igwe Ake Uchionwa, one of Umuacha Kingdom. Igwe.
Gentlemen, please let us rise. And welcome His Royal Highness Eze Ake Uchionwa, the first of Umwacha. Iwe Umwacha Queen. Yeah. Umwacha Queen. Yeah. Umwacha Queen. Yeah. Your Majesty, you are young and full of life. You have traveled far and wide and experienced. It is our prayer that you would bring all this to bear on the throne in your leadership of our community, in our lives and the life of our community. My chiefs, I greet you all. I thank you all for the support you have given to me and my family. And I promise every one of you that I will not disappoint this throne and I will not disappoint this kingdom.
Your Highness, I've been waiting patiently for you to do something for me as the father of your wife. Honestly, I was thinking that before now you should have been able to build for me a befitting house and even bought me a car. They are all in order. They are things in-law does for in-law.
My in-law, I don't see anything wrong with this house. Or is it leaking?
It's not leaking really, but
my in-law. See, I have lots of programs lined up for the benefit of the entire Umocha community. As for the car, I will think about it.
This man is stingy. Onyama matauso ndebalo. Anyo haru na esiko gili. I'm sorry. I was just trying to absorb what.
Your Highness, I would like to have a little discussion with you.
Okay.
It's been 7 years into your marriage, and there's absolutely nothing to show for it. So I want to ask, when will the witch give me grandchildren? Or has she eaten up all the children in her womb?
Mother, same 7 years you have waited for grandchildren. It's the same years I have asked myself what went wrong between you and Maureen. You used to like her, Mom. You used to like her so much. All of a sudden, she became your nightmare. What do you have against her?
I don't have anything against her. Fine. I used to like her. But that was before I discovered that she was planning to ruin my home.
Maureen has done nothing wrong, Mother. She has done nothing wrong. And I married her, not the other way around.
That is the problem. You married her. Let her live up to her responsibilities and give me grandchildren.
How will they come? How will children come, Mother? When you've made it so difficult for them to come?
Despite the circumstances surrounding her birth, she was still a blessing you gave to me. Now I'm ready for a child, God, please. Don't let my enemies laugh at me, please. Don't let them ask me, oh my God.
I will cry as big as the sea. But it's only God that gives children.
Don't let them ask me who my God is or where He is, God, please. Just one child, please.
All I want is just one child. I don't want God to rule the world. All I want
Don't put my home, please. Bless me with a child, please.
just one child. Someone to hold, to call me mama. All I want is just
Which? I was thinking that by now the scales you used in covering my son's eyes would have fallen off for him to know your true colors.
My queen,
Shut up! Just shut that your mouth or I'll shut it for you. Oh. You're already adding more charms to your ears and your eyes, okay? To still hold my son, right? You have failed. You have failed!
Mama,
barren witch.
Mama, they're just drugs that I use for my...
Who did you call Mama? Who is your mother? Don't you ever call me Mama again. Witch! Barren witch! How else would I explain the fact that your mother died 2 weeks before your marriage? Listen, leave this palace in peace or you give my son a child. The choice is yours.
Mama,
I don't want the moon, I don't want the stars. All I want is just one child. I don't want God to rule the world. All I want is just one child. I don't need cars, I don't need rubber.
Your Highness.
Mother, leave my wife alone. Leave her alone.
I didn't touch your wife. I only told her the truth.
For God's sake, keep the truth to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Henceforth, I wouldn't want this incident to repeat itself. Leave her. Leave her alone, for God's sake.
Elisabeka, I will not leave her alone. I will not.
Daddy said that you are married to another man, that you are wicked and you are a witch.
He said all of that?
It's time.
Can I at least give her the bag?
She's fine. are you doing here? I've been looking for you everywhere. Is it because of my mom?
No.
I've told you everything. Fine.
It's my ear.
Your ear? What happened?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, Jesus. I think the solution for this year is surgery. I'm intending to fly to the States. I'm sorry. Meanwhile, I was invited for traditional last meeting in Abuja tomorrow. So right now, I need you to come help me pack my stuffs. Please. I'm so sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. Everything will be fine, okay?
Seriously. No, hold on. Just hold on. Hold on, mister. Hold on. What pranks are you playing now? What's the meaning of this? What are you actually telling me now? You know what? Hey, mister, just listen to me. You know what? I'm coming to your office right away. Alright?
Maureen! Maureen, open this door. I know you're in there. Maureen!
I'm not feeling too well, my queen.
Oh, you're not only a witch, but also a liar. Open the door. Maureen! Maureen, open. I'll break this door. Open the door. Maureen! Maureen! Open this door. Afoma! Angela! Where is it? Angela! You all are stupid. You are fools. Why did you clear that place? Get out! Move! Get out! Fools! Go and clear them, stupid girls!
I go to my phone.
Who is this? What are you doing here? Have I not had enough of you and your miserable daughter in one day?
Sorry, my queen. I came to deliver a message to my daughter.
How am I sure you're not the one giving her the charms she's been using on my son?
Ndebalo, anyuaru nesikugli. With due respect, my queen, it's a dangerous allegation.
You are actually talking back at me. Throw him out of here.
Okay.
Well, these people are mean. Nothing will come out of this marriage for me.
I really don't understand this.
How?
These are Lebanese people I have been dealing with. I've known them for 7 months now. The first year of business we did, they gave me the goods on credit, which I paid them at the stipulated time, no problem. Now, since I noticed that the gains were good, I decided to expand my horizon by making the business a whole lot larger. Now, I emptied my bank account, sent them the money ahead of time. As we speak now, I can't get to them. Their phone numbers don't go through. My people in Lebanon cannot get to them. The Nigerian embassy in Lebanon can't even locate them.
See, Dave, put yourself together. Give yourself time and you'll pick up again.
You don't understand how. How can I lose everything I've slaved for in one day? Everything I've worked for in one day?
You lost everything, but you didn't lose your life. Your life is that's the important thing. Oh? You'll pick up again. Oh?
Still, it's okay. How are we going to survive? You're telling me it's okay. How do we survive?
People have lost more than that before, but they are still alive. Oh? Hey! Ndị balo anyụ arụ n'esikwa obere.
Dave, that is the money I asked you so that I can go to the dry cleaner to collect our clothes.
Look, babe, right now I don't have money, okay? Even at the bank, it's a zero balance. You go use your own money and, get the clothes yourself.
When did I start picking up our clothes from the dry cleaner with my money?
How about now? Please, I'm not in a good frame of mind right now. Like I said, I am broke, okay? So use your money, get the clothes, I'll reimburse you later.
With what? With what, Dave?
What is wrong with you? Why are you sounding like this? He's talking about little money for the dry cleaners.
Little money? Give it to me. Give the money to me.
What is this? Why are you sounding like this?
Why? Maybe you should go and tell them yourself that you don't have money so they can give the clothes to me on credit.
Seriously, the way things are right now, we are broke, alright? I am broke since you're depending on me, and as it is, look, we can't afford that luxury. We just have to be washing our clothes ourselves. We are young, we just have to do it this way. I wash my clothes, you wash yours. Please, we can't afford that luxury anymore.
You will be doing the washing yourself. You wash our clothes. That is your job in this house. You're not serious.
Your Highness.
What is it? What do you want to do?
I want to eat.
Wow. So you can actually come down to eat. Well, this food is for people around. Not for people that lock themselves up in their quarters. So drop the plate and go. Go and lock yourself up in your room and continue eating your junk.
Babe, I'm waiting for you. Come on.
For what?
For my food, of course.
The food is in the kitchen. Go and get it.
And
if you want it so much, go and dish the food yourself.
What? Now I have to ask you this. What's with you? Huh? What's with this your new attitude? Is it because of the little financial setback I have presently? Is it?
Why can't you just understand that I am tired? How can I go to the market to buy the stuffs with my money, come to the house, cook the food, and you expect me to serve you? What is wrong with you?
You know what? Keep your food to yourself, okay? I will go out and look for somewhere to eat. Do you understand me?
And I hope you're not going with my car.
Excuse me?
Because the only car in this house is my car. Maybe you have forgotten.
can take the pig out of the gutter, but you cannot take the gutter out of the pig. Where do you think you are? Do you think this is your useless father's house where you can do whatever you like?
My queen, these are new clothes my husband ordered for me. I just took delivery of them.
Don't you ever call my son your husband again. Oh. You think your charms will work forever, right? Believe me, they won't. Drop that thing. Drop it! Ow! Pack all these things. Get out! Get out! Get out! Don't you ever do this again.
Fiance, remember?
Thanks for reminding me.
What's wrong with you? What's this?
What's wrong with you?
No, what's wrong with you?
I should be asking you that.
Wait, what's with you not letting me touch you? What's with that now? Come on.
I'm tired. Leave me alone. I don't want to. The body is mine. If I want to give, I'll give. Is it by force? Please leave me alone.
Last month you were tired. What's wrong with you? What's with all that now?
Leave me alone. If I'm in the mood, I'll tell you. Leave me. I'm not in the mood.
Is that the way you want it?
Whatever.
It's like that now, right?
Yes, like that.
You're telling me whatever. Doris, you're telling me whatever.
Doris.
I'm just coming back from paying Princess's school fees.
And how does it concern me?
It concerns you because you've been the one paying the fees on my behalf.
And if you have decided to pay your daughter's school fees today, am I supposed to kill myself?
What I'm trying to say is that I went to pay her fees only to find out that I went with 80,000 naira over.
What are you trying to say?
Meaning that you told me that her fees sum up to 180,000 naira. Only for me to find out that the fees actually sum up to 100,000 naira. So you've been duping me of 80,000 naira on the regular with regards to the fees.
Okay.
Don't walk out on me, okay?
Are you messing with me? Are you out of your mind? Because I keep quiet every time. Because I'm keep quiet every time. You don't need to play me.
Dear Dave, you may find it difficult to believe this, but I've gone. After you betrayed me with Maureen, the only consolation was your money. And now it's no longer there. I wish you well on your own.
The years we were together means nothing in the absence of money. What else can I say? Remember me once in a while with a smile on your face because it was really good while it lasted. Just that it couldn't last forever. Bye.
Children are gifts from God. And nobody can change the will of God.
I know, but I'm not trying to change God's will for my life, but I'm just asking for one child. Just one child. I just want God to prove everyone wrong about me. Just one more child.
What we need now is prayers, nothing more. You see, I want you to understand that what will be, will be. Wipe those tears and give me a lovely smile.
I don't want the moon, I don't want the stars. All I want is just one child. I don't want God to rule the world. All I want.
Good morning, ma'am. You think I don't know why you keep to yourself in the room these days? It is because you have eaten all the children in your womb. Rich.
If money can buy children, my husband will buy them for me. And if tears can bring children, I will cry as big as the sea. But it's only God that gives children, so I pray day and night unto Him. I don't want the moon, I don't want the stars. All I want is just one child. I don't want God to rule the world. All I want is just one child. I don't need cars, I don't need rubber. All I want is just...
How? When?
Slow down. I was feeling very funny and I went to see the doctor. He ran some tests and the result came out positive. 6 weeks pregnant.
And you're just telling me?
I needed to be sure. I don't want anyone else to know, just us.
I love you.
One man came to my home telling me he wants to get married to Princess.
Ojo, is the man financially okay? Which way go?
Ichi, what are you talking about?
No, if he's okay.
Ichi, we're talking about little Princess here.
Do you call Princess little? How young was the mother when she got married? When she had her?
Ichi, what are you
Very young, eh?
What are you saying? Princess is just a teenager.
It doesn't matter. It's an opportunity, Dave. Are you not seeing it the way I'm seeing it? Your condition is very bad. Our situation not good. Dave, don't forget you are no longer living in your mansion. You are now hanging, squatting everywhere. Dave, see this as an opportunity to make hay again. Hey, let me tell you, you're talking about age of Princess. If she hasn't broken her virginity, let the man it's an opportunity for the man to enter her. However, a girl is strong, she can carry any man. Eh? What are you talking about? It's no wonder. I was asking why our prayers had not been answered. Look at the answer to the prayers. Eh? Look at Dave. Please, fix a date, tell the man the date to come. I'll be there to give support. Hey! Let's do a turn around. Go and give the man a date. Just tell me I will come and support him. Give an account.
I was thinking that the death of your wife would have made you to stop talking too much. But no, it's getting worse.
So you would have been happy if I had become a dumb after my wife's death. Ndaobi, do a kurujoku enaga. Eh? Be very careful. Don't add to my problem.
What problem? Is that a new problem or the old one that refused to go?
Oh, I am suspecting that you planted the old one and made sure he refused to go. If you kiss blow insinaja, which is a wizard. Eh? I'm on the login. You see, got chalawo, or got double. Or got chagida our bargaining maro.
Sobondo. Where are you?
Where are you?
But it's okay, it's okay. What's the problem?
No, don't mind me. It's just my son-in-law called Dave. There was a time Dave was on top of the world. Dave had mansions everywhere, cars, everything you can think of. Eh? Dave built a house for me. He was promising, let me have a house, I'll do it today, tomorrow. And Dave eventually crashed. Now he crashed. Arises. Doesn't want me to rip from there.
It's okay.
I must rip from there. That princess must get married and I'll reap my own share. Dave, I am ready for you. Come, even if it's war, we are going to war.
It's okay. It's
Libalo.
Give me your hand.
Let's go and eat. Oh. Let's go and eat. Do you want me to eat yours? After all, you know I'm eating for 2.
Or for 3.
Let's go.
Sweetie, go ahead. Okay? I'm having this pain in my tummy. It's been there for a while now.
Where? How painful is it? You didn't tell me about it.
Don't worry. It's not something I can't handle. Just go.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Please, can you give me a glass of juice?
Okay. Eh? A glass of what? Juice? In my house? You don't know where they sell juice? By the way, are you here to drink juice or give me grandchildren? Yeah? Come and drink now. My friend, get away from here. You want If you want helps, go and get yours and stop ordering these palace helps around. You want to drink juice? Come and drink it. Come take glass of juice. Come on.
baby.
I don't know, my friend.
You don't know. What's going on? He hasn't called. He hasn't come to see me. His phone is not going through. What about the maiden?
She has gone to the palace to prepare something for you to eat.
Please, can you get us food?
What are you still doing there?
My queen, he's not answering.
What do you mean he's not answering? No! Oh.
Please, look.
Olisemeka! Olisemeka, open the door. Look for something and break this door. Emeka. Olisemeka. Olisemeka. Emeka. Olisemeka. Emeka. Olisemeka. Olisemeka.
Please get up. Please, my son, please get up. Get up. Hey. Please. Please don't do this to me. Biko. Nabiko, get up. Nabiko, get up.
No. Are you saying he was poisoned?
Lolo, the autopsy report shows that there has been traces of food poisoning in his bloodstream.
But oh no. Are you saying he ate poison?
I am not saying that. According to the doctor, he said that there are traces of food poisoning in his bloodstream. It has been there over a period of time. But what he did not say was that it was the poison that killed him. I mean, it's confusing. I don't really know. I don't know.
room, but the Digo is dead.
Take. Put it in his food. It will not kill him, but it will bring bitterness between the both. But let me warn you, no mistake. Do it exactly the way I said. You will see the result. It will be a gradual process. Between now and 9 months.
So that girl was already pregnant. Ah. But how come the Igwe died? To kill him. I only meant to separate them. I couldn't have killed my own son. What do I do now? Confess? No amount of confession would bring him back to life. Ah, that native doctor is wicked. He didn't tell me it was going to kill him. He told me I was going to separate them. God will kill him. God will kill that native doctor. He will punish him. He will punish him for killing my only child. God will punish him. God will punish him. God will punish him. Punish him.
My daughter, the cabinet has decided that you will pack your things and leave first thing tomorrow morning. This is to give room for further investigations. And if you're found guilty, we shall melt out the appropriate punishment. But until then, you have until tomorrow morning to pack your things and leave. Niche, is that not so? It is so though. You have until tomorrow morning.
Heaven knows, like, I cannot hurt my husband. My hands are clean. I can't hurt my husband. My hands are clean. My hands are clean, oh, my hands.
It is not a matter of your hands being clean. Just go in there and pack your things. Do you know who has spoken?
I'm innocent. I can't kill my husband.
boze na wo kife wagadima anya milale kamnebe anya milale kamna kwao ekekelowa enozipome chima
Each time I see you coming down from taxi, my heart skips.
Papa, you didn't even ask or check on me when you heard what happened.
Oh, sorry, I was about to do that. Where are you coming from now?
I had to check into a hospital to clear my head. Plus, the ear is really paining me.
I thought the ear was getting better. Huh?
I heard about this.
That's what kept me busy for a long time. You know?
How is Princess?
Princess? I don't really know. Maybe Lagos, maybe Abuja. I don't know.
You say?
You didn't hear me well. I said maybe Lagos, maybe Abuja.
Oh. The doctor said I need surgery for the ear.
Sorry. Take the key to the house. I was about going out when it came out.
Oh.
Driver, I have some things inside the house.
Grandpa. Now that the burial is over, I think we should fix my traditional marriage already. Since I have nothing to keep me busy right now.
You are correct. You're correct. So, when are they coming?
I have to talk to Tony, my fiancé, first. And whatever we decide, I will relate to you. Meanwhile, I'll travel to my dad's village.
Okay.
His kinsmen want to see me.
When will we be leaving?
I want to leave first thing tomorrow morning. And I'll go to Abuja to see him.
Okay. Well, we have to start packing early enough because we have a long journey to embark upon tomorrow. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bring that basket. Bring it.
Papa!
Mommy, you came back? When did you come back? When did you come back?
1 week! I've been calling your phone, you've been busy.
No, I'm sorry. See, over there we were having meetings on a daily basis with some businessmen. I saw some of your calls, but I'll make it up to you. Oh? How are you now? Are you getting better?
There's food in the house, I just finished cooking now.
You know what? I want to suggest that you get something doing to sustain yourself.
It's going to be enough for us, the food.
Look, one never want to have them.
You say?
See, you begin a job to earn money, even if it's pocket money. You have some money in your pocket to take care of your needs.
He's still paying me, but it's just headache and some body pain. But he said I should come back again.
Okay.
Yes.
You have to go back. You must go back.
Okay.
But I'll accompany you there. Oh? You know, go.
The food.
No, I didn't talk about. Okay. Let's
Let me help you inside.
No.
Okay. Let me go. Prepare the food on the table.
Ane bukonete ilu mwana agasa. Eh? Ha? Ndibalo kadem wong niti. Mari. There's a man at the neighboring village who can give a solution to this your problem. Huh? Because the way it is, you are partially deaf. You're partially deaf.
Eh?
I said somebody has a solution to this your ear problem. Let's adopt it. Huh?
Papa, instead of talking like this, can we use sign language so I can understand?
Sign what? So when I want to talk to you, I begin to do not me. Oberon Sobondo in my house. I won't do it. There's a better solution. Let's adopt it.
Papa, if you can slow down, I will read your lips and know what you are saying.
I wouldn't accept that, Maureen. Oh? Don't suggest it at all. Don't dare. I wanted to tell you this. Anyway, the princess did her traditional marriage when you were not there. They were in a hurry to do it, so they couldn't wait for you.
Huh?
Princess did their traditional marriage when you were not there.
Papa? Princess?
Yes, they were in a hurry, so they didn't wait for you.
Why did you consent to that? She's just a child.
What are you talking about? How old were you when you gave birth to her?
Papa,
Let me hear what I beg.
Huh? You said...
Thank God you were not there.
Huh?
How did your treatment go?
It went well.
Okay, that's good.
They said I should come back in 1 month's time.
Okay.
Papa, I'm not happy to hear that news.
It has happened. We can't do anything about it again. So go to the room and take your food. Oh?
Food?
Food,
Okay.
When chicken, put enough meat so you can eat meat very well. Eh? Oh. Azwanoka.
If money can buy children, my husband will buy them for me. And if tears can bring children, I will cry as big as the sea. But it's only God that gives children, so I pray day and night unto Him. I don't want the moon, I don't want the stars. All I want is just one child. I don't want gold to rule the world. All I want is just one child. I don't need cars, I don't need rubber.
You came around?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, welcome.
Good day, Papa.
Good day. What of your husband?
He's fine, Papa.
City people, everybody?
They're all fine, Papa. Papa, what's that woman doing in this house?
Which woman? Your mother?
Grandpa, I won't be coming here again if she is going to be in this house. Neither will I bring you any more foodstuffs nor money. There is no way I will be feeding a woman who abandoned me when I needed her the most. I can't, Papa.
Madam, I understand how you feel, but please don't worry. She'll soon be going back to where she's getting treatment.
Oh, that's so better, Papa. She has to carry her own problems because I have mine.
Please, let that not bother you. So you said your husband is okay? Hey.
How's my cupcake doing?
Fine, darling. Sorry, I was trying to lure the baby to sleep.
Oh, baby. So tell me, how you coping?
It's very difficult for me, baby. It's really difficult. I can't just cope anymore. I can't cope. I can't. It's so hard for me to bathe myself these days and not to talk of the baby. I truly need help. I do.
What about the agency we discussed about? I thought you said they're going to send a nanny to you.
Yeah, but I haven't seen anyone yet. They said she'll be here soon.
Okay, just relax, okay? They won't fail.
I hope so. If only my mom were alive.
Oh, baby, come on. Don't go there, okay? It's past now. I want you to cheer up, okay?
Okay, anyways, how are you doing and when are you coming back?
Well, I'm doing great. It's just that I miss you and our baby, you know. I'll be home soon anyway.
I miss you more, darling.
Come on. Blow me a kiss. That's my baby. You know what? Later, just send me a list of what you want me to get for you on the bed, okay? And you take good care of yourself, alright? I love you so much.
I love you too, bye.
Baba. Yeah, welcome.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. Is Madam in?
Yes, sir. We'll go inside.
Okay. Hey. That's good. Where are they?
You go there inside. Yes, Papa.
Hello, Banakwell. Are they in? My granddaughter.
Grandpa, you didn't tell me you were coming.
I tried to do that, but there was no network. So I said, since there was an emergency, let me rush. You think it's the only woman who can do amuko?
Amuko?
Men can do it even better. Operating like breastfeeding the baby, both in Siena, they are excrete and all that. It's a simple matter. I can do it. Where is the baby sitting? Come on,
Confess. Confess your sins.
Trying to bathe my baby with cold water.
I decided for cold water because the weather is very hot.
What?
Are you not feeling the heat of the weather?
Papa, no. Thank you. Oh, yeah, wait, let me bath it. No, thank you, it's okay, just...
You're not feeling the heat of the weather. Right? When that happened now?
No.
Alright. Okay. Well, that's... Okay. Yeah. You can see I'm trying my best.
It's a touchy one.
Yeah. Hello. I don't think anything in the job.
Papa?
What is it?
What did you rub in?
I just battered them and then used cream on him. That's all.
It doesn't smell like his cream.
Okay, sorry. I didn't see his own. So I used your own on him.
Papa, this cream doesn't smell like mine either.
Huh?
Can I see the cream?
Let me. See.
Jesus! Papa, you rubbed him relaxer!
Relaxer? Libalo. But this is cream now. It's even written here. Cream de free santé, no basset, normal formulae. It's only written in Chinese language. I did the right thing.
What happened to the milk I bought 2 days ago?
I don't know. Maybe we should ask madam.
Grandpa, I am serious. I just bought this milk and this has been going on for some time now. I want to know.
Princess Marital. See, how people say that he who blows the flute can replenish, to re-energize and begin the flute business again.
So, Grandpa, you've been drinking my baby's milk. Grandpa, what have I done to you now?
Princess, see, I was thinking that he who could take care of a child should be able to drink part of the milk. But if you say I should stop drinking, I stop at this moment. Okay. Do I even stop taking care of Chinemerem? Do I stop it? Oh, you lacha mwa lacha. Come on, you want lacha majority. Let her leak 90% in leak here 10 away from melon.
My husband will soon return, and all this will be over.
Oh, has it got to that level? To drag a whole husband inside tin milk?
Leave her alone now, boy. Don't have ordinary milk. Okay.
Your Highness, you've been like this for some time now. You refused us taking you to the hospital, or even to bring the doctor to come and treat you. Please, Your Highness, I don't want to lose you. Please, let me go and call the doctor, please.
Please, go and call the Nollywood for me. I want to talk to him.
May the gods of our land forgive you. This is unbelievable. I mean, it is incredible. I don't know what to say to you now. I think I would have to involve other members of the cabinet. It's unbelievable. I think the next thing to do is to look for our wife, Maureen, and apologize to her. After that, we consult the chief priest to know the next step to take.
I heard Maureen is not around, even her father.
Sir, I am here to see Mrs. Princess Ugule.
What for?
I'm on appointment with her, sir.
Appointment?
Yes, sir. Please, sir, can I see her if she's around?
Where are you from? What's your tribe? What do you do for a living? And you're looking like somebody who is pregnant.
Papa! Who is that?
I think she's the baby nurse you've been waiting for.
Oh, that's my darling. Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
Yes, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I hope it wasn't difficult for you locating my house.
Not at all, ma'am.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Catherine, ma'am.
Catherine, you're welcome. Okay. Come with me. Let me show you to your room.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Cat! Okay, oh, you're here. I wanted to go and prepare hot water for me to take my bath.
But Papa, I've told you my name is Catherine, not Cat, please.
Listen, whether Cat, Catherine or Catty, it doesn't matter. See, what I planned to be calling you was Catty. But having found out that you have this pointed nose like Imi Busu, like in Kendi Ocha, I said, let me do it Catway. Catty is a good name. Let me even tell you. See, don't call me Papa. It brings division between the two of you. It creates a gap. My name is in Sobondo. Just reduce it to so. Don't you see how it sounds?
Papa, me call you so.
So, we're going to talk about that one later. So go and get me the hot water.
But can I finish what I'm doing before I bring it?
You get it, then you continue with what you're doing.
Sorry, ma. There's no food for me.
No, I left some food for you. Did you check the plates?
Yes, nothing is in the plate. All of them are all empty.
Empty?
Yes, ma.
Princess, I wanted to use your tissue paper, but I didn't see any. Could you please?
Grandpa, please, did you eat the food I left on the dining table?
Oh, I was very hungry, so I added that one.
Grandpa, why now? Why? You should have asked me. That food was meant for Catherine.
Aye, my own wasn't enough.
But you should have told me.
I even thought it was a leftover. I didn't know it belonged to anybody. I didn't know. I'm sorry. Oh. Sorry. No.
Catherine, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please go to the kitchen, get some stew from the freezer so you make food for yourself.
No problem, ma. I'll manage. I'll sleep like that. You just leave it to tomorrow.
Okay, sorry.
I'm going to sleep like that. Good night, ma. Good night, sir.
Okay, don't be a hater. Before you know it, it's daybreak. You know, you keep it for that. Sorry, oh? I didn't know. Sorry, though. What are the tissue paper? Cat. Cat.
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you wash the clothes I told you to wash for me?
Papa, that is not within my job schedule.
What kind of grammar are you speaking to me? Answer my question. Why don't you wash my clothes?
Nothing, sir. I was busy.
Busy doing what? Oh, you were employed to wash only the clothes of the baby. You don't want to wash the clothes of the person that gave birth to the person that gave birth to the person that gave birth to the baby. Is that what you're telling me?
Okay. All right.
Madam, I don't know what is happening in this house. So somebody went into the bathroom and added bleach to the blue cloth I saw in there.
Bleach?
I know his papa. Oh. I know his papa. He has been looking for my trouble in this house.
It's okay. Calm down. It's okay.
Look at how he has stuck all the clothes I have. Eh? What have I done to him now?
Please, now. Look at him. You cannot leave me this way. You can't. For my sake, please stay. I promise you that once my husband comes home, Papa will definitely go back to the village. That's a promise. Thank you.
Sorry. I just have to leave. If it's only for you, I would have stayed. You've not done me any wrong. But Papa, I can't withstand him anymore. I'm tired of him. I have to leave.
For me.
Hey, baby.
I miss
Come
you.
here. Okay. How you doing?
Oh, you look so sweet, baby.
For you.
I so miss you.
Miss you too, honey.
I miss you.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Oh my mom just asking, can see you looking so pretty.
Oh.
That reminds me. Come on, honey. You're not gonna steal all the kisses.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
I just have to keep some for the baby up there.
He's asking.
Oh, really?
Well, I have something for you.
What's that?
I need you to meet someone.
Okay.
Katie, this is my husband. Baby, let's get you the money.
Oh, I see.
Good day, sir.
Hey, good day. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
But she's insisting on leaving.
Okay, let me just talk to her, okay? Madam, I've never seen you before, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But from what my wife has been telling me about the phone about you, I can easily tell that you're a very good person.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir.
Until I want you to understand and know the fact that I am a lovely wife. I have so much regard for you. In fact, we see you as a family member.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You're welcome, man. Please, we don't want you to leave our home. We don't mind increasing your pay, right?
Yes, love.
So please, we want you to stay back, okay?
I'm sorry, sir. I have to leave. I've already informed the agency. Unless you call them to assign me.
Oh, no. What I'm trying to say is, we want you to stay back while I go to the agency and do all necessary things, okay? We don't want you to leave.
Call them, meet them, and we schedule. Yeah.
Come on.
No, it has been completed. I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay. Maybe I'll come to the agency myself, huh? And then we'll arrest it.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Please. I just have to go. I would have loved to stay, but Papa's attitude is just too much on me. I can't bear it any longer. If your husband comes to the agency, I'll come back. I'll gladly come back. Please. I just hope you understand. Bye-bye. Good day. Bye-bye, sir.
Let's take a drink.
Wow. So, please.
this year is paying me very well. I want to go to see the native doctor Ogudo the day after tomorrow. I'm tired of all these things.
It's all right. I shall be well with you. Oh? Sorry, no, take it easy. Have you packed your things? Have you packed your bags? I said, have you gathered
bag.
things?
I'll go do it now.
Oh.
Thank you, Papa.
Like I said, it shall be well with you. Oh? Oh? Libalo.
Papa, how can you be asking for another money? I mean, it's not even up to a week you left for the village and I know how much my husband gave you.
Listen, what I'm talking about is just little amount of money. You know I'm a titled chief. When a chief returns from Amogwa, much is expected of him. People will make mockery of me. So just money, somehow wetty. You have not a big money, but a small amount of money.
Okay, I'll try and talk to my husband about it.
I trust you. But please remind your husband that I'll be doing memorial ceremony of my late wife. And as a chief, personalities will be involved. People will be entertained. So you can see that the money will be big. Just tell your husband to help out. Because,
I'll try and see it before then. Meanwhile, I'm still waiting for my money. Take care, sir. I like to get
Work.
Naughty you.
Okay, it's part of the exercise, right? And stop talking on the phone.
You're very naughty.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine, I'm cool.
Yeah. Who was that?
That's my grandfather.
Wow. Silly me.
What? Oh!
I haven't called him since he left here.
Well, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Oh, come on, baby, not you, okay? You should be on my side, right? You'll be working, busy working there, here, and all that. Come on, Jerry, I'm sorry.
Oh, well, that should be to my grandfather.
Whatever, I will try and call him later today. Alright. Yes, baby. And I have to run now.
No problem.
And I'll stop by the agency, okay? Baby, take care of yourself, huh?
Take care of you.
Come here. And Michael, take care of him, you know.
Yes. I'm thinking of renovating the house for my wife's memorial anniversary. But it's coming up very soon.
Oh, okay, Papa. So, how much do you think will be enough for the renovation?
200,000 naira will do for a start.
200,000. Okay. Okay, Papa, no problem. I will get back to you, eh?
Okay. Please, tell Princess to call me.
Okay, Papa, no problem. I'll do that. She will. You're welcome, sir.
Papa? Who was that? You were on the phone for a very long time.
It was Ichie Nza that I was telling to accompany us to where they are giving you treatment.
Oh, what did he say?
He said he will think about it.
Okay. Let me get something.
I don't want the moon, I don't want the stars. All I want is just one child. I want one girl to rule the world. All I want is just one
Hello, madam. Good afternoon.
Speak up, I can't hear you very well. But if it's my father you are looking for, he's not around.
Oh, well, I am looking for Mazi Unswambundu.
Oh, he's my father. He's not around. How may I help you?
I am Tony Ugole.
You say?
I said I am Tony, and the Tony is my name.
Oh.
Yes, and I am married to Mazi Unswambundu's granddaughter, Princess.
Princess? My princess?
It's a princess. Eh? Look at you now. I thought you were deaf. I didn't know you were hearing. Eh? I said it, I knew it. You've used your own to spoil my own now. Eh? No anniversary, no thank you, no renovation, nothing whatsoever. Hey! Oh, my game is up. Eh? As one you can warn. Oh! The ballo.
I don't want the moon, I don't want the stars. All I want is just one child.
How could you do this to me, princess? How could you lie to me after all these years? I am so disappointed, I feel like throwing up.
Baby, I want you to calm down. Please calm down and talk to me. What's the problem?
Who is Maureen? Answer me! I said, who is Maureen?
She's my mother.
Is she dead or alive?
She's alive. It's my grandfather's idea to let you about my mother's death. He said she doesn't deserve my honor.
A comparative analysis of your grandfather's version of the story and that of your mother indicates that he lied against her.
But my father said the same thing about her when he was alive.
I suspect conspiracy thing.
But why would they?
I don't know. It beats my imagination.
I'm so sorry. Why lied to you? Please forgive me.
Stop crying, okay?
was naive and misled. Please forgive me. I was made to hate you. My heart was filled with hatred for you and from all that I heard from my father. But now, I know the truth. And I know what it feels like to be a mother. Forgive me.
I didn't hear all that she said. But I heard her call me Mama. It's okay. What is his name?
Ifechukwu.
Eh?
Ifechukwu.
Ifechukwu there. Okay. Thank you.
Please, please. I have something to say, please. All of you, please. Bikono. I was given to greed. I became selfish when Princess channeled material things to me. I got selfish.
It's okay.
When I divide mother and daughter, oh, please forgive me. The devil dribbled me, used me to play football, Nigerian League, Barclays Premier, Spanish La Liga, oh, please, even Italian Serie A. All he could not achieve was to use me to score World Cup goal. Please forgive me. The way you see me now, I am idiotic. I'm a stupid man.
Hey.
Biko, please. Ogo, Biko no. Ogo, is there no way you can forgive me? I promise I won't do it again in my life. I'll never allow devil come my way again. If he comes, I give him blow. Biko no. Biko no.
I don't want to go back to the palace again. It brings back memories I don't like. Oh, my prince, my king. Everything that happened, I have taken as fate. It's okay. My heart is so pure.
I understand what you mean. I understand. It's just that Queen's condition is very bad. Queen's condition, very bad, very bad. All she wants from you is forgiveness. To forgive her. He wants to make you forgive her. Forgive her.
Forgive?
Yes.
I've forgiven her.
Oh yeah.
I'm not upset with anybody. My heart is pure. I've forgiven her. Tell her I can never hold anything against her.
My daughter, God will surely bless you.
God must surely bless you.
Thank you. Bless you. But don't have anything against anybody.
Thank you, my sister.
Just tell her it's okay. It's alright. Thank you.
We have to take our leave.
The bill is there.